Good morning to all of you. Now we will discuss the exercise of chapter friction. So now first question, fill in the blanks. Friction opposes the dash between the surface in contact with each other. The answer will be motion. Friction depends on the, we have studied already that friction depends on the nature of the surfaces, and friction produces heat. The sprinkling of powder on the cannon board, it is a way of reducing the friction. So the answer will be reduces. Sliding friction is less than static friction, less than. Second, 4 children were asked to arrange forces due to rolling, static and sliding frictions in a decreasing order. These arrangements are given below. Choose the correct arrangement. Here it is given that rolling, static, sliding in decreasing order. In decreasing order. We know that, and we have studied that the friction, static friction is more than sliding, and sliding is more than rolling. Okay, so the option will be C, static, sliding and rolling. Third, Alida runs her toy car on a dry marble floor. Wet marble floor, newspaper and towel is spread on the floor. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order means in which the friction will be in increasing order. So you know that wet marble floor, in the case of wet marble floor, the friction will be less. Then dry marble floor, then newspaper, then towel. Then option will be A. 4. Suppose your writing desk is tilted a little. A book kept on it starts sliding down. So the direction of frictional force acting on it. Since books move downward, the frictional force is acting opposite to the movement of the book. Because why? What is friction? It opposes the motion. So the friction will act in upward direction. Now you spill a bucket of soapy water on a marble floor accidentally. Okay, and would it make it easier or more difficult for you on the floor? Why? So it will make more difficult. Why? The layer of soap makes floor smooth, and if smoothness will be more, then friction will be less. So now the foot cannot make a proper grip on the floor. Therefore, it is difficult to walk on a soapy floor, and we start to slip on the floor. Now, question number 6. Explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. We have discussed already, to increase the friction between shoes and the surface. Okay, that they do not slip when they run or play. Question number 7. Iqbal has to push a lighter box and Seema has to push a similar heavier box on the same floor. Who will have to apply a large force and why? The heavy object will be pressed hard against the opposite surface and producing more friction. So the heavy object will be pressed hard, and we have seen that if the surface will be pressed hard, the friction will be also be more. So Seema will have to apply a larger force due to more friction. Why sliding friction is less than static friction? Because in the case of sliding friction, the object find very less time to get interlocked against each other. Okay, objects and irregularities of surface, so they get less friction. Therefore, sliding friction is always less than static friction. Now 9. Give example to show that friction is both a friend or a foe. So friction is a friend because friction allows us to grip and catch different objects. It helps us to, we have discussed all the things in the chapter. Friction is a necessary evil. The friction is a friend because friction allows us to grip and catch different objects. It helps us to walk comfortably on the surface. It helps to minimize the speed or to stop the moving object. It helps us to write on paper or blackboard. The things do not move from their place due to friction between the surface. And due to the friction, it is friction is a friend, and here when the friction is a foe, due to this there is a wear and tear in the object. It causes damage to the parts of the machine. The machine or tools require regular maintenance, due to which a lot of money is wasted. It reduces the speed of moving objects, so more force is required. It does not allow the free movement of object. So we can say the friction is both friend as well as foe. And this question is very much important for the exam point of view. Many times for class 8 in annual and in half yearly also this question is asked of 3 marks and 5 marks. So it is very much important question. And one more question, that friction is a necessary evil. Friction is necessary. So we have seen that friction is both a friend for us and friction is foe also. But friction is required. It is a necessary evil. Now explain why object moving in fluid must have a special shape. So we say the object moving in fluid must have a special shape, and this shape is called streamline shape. And streamline shape, what it do? Overcome the friction. This we have seen in our last video lecture. Friction between object and fluid. The object have pointed fronts and little broader middle portion. So what is a streamline shape? A streamline shape is the object have pointed fronts, means the front part is sharp and the middle part is little broader, and which get trapped at the back. So this was all about the exercise of our 12th chapter and physics second chapter. It is the 12th chapter of science and second chapter of physics, that is friction. So we have completed now our periodic test 1 syllabus, and in the periodic test 1 syllabus now there are 2 chapters which are going to come. One is force and pressure and second is friction. So we have seen that what is force and friction, what is force and pressure. We have talked about many things, and the friction also we have seen that it is our necessary evil. So what you have to do, you have to make the notes of the important points, you have to complete the keywords and the exercise. After that you take the pic and send it to my WhatsApps, all of you. It is compulsory for all of you, that all of you after completing work take pic and send that pic to me. It is required, it is necessary. Okay, and your activity based marks which you will get, that activity based marks will be this only, that how much you are punctual at your home. And if you are punctual at your home, if you are completing your work and on time, don't forget to send the picture of that on my WhatsApp number. And if you have any query, any problem from chapter force and pressure or from the chapter friction, please call me, don't hesitate. Okay, clear your doubt, study properly anywhere from both the chapter. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.